What's up guys? Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog tayo ngayon. AC47 TV at your service. So yan guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking munting channel, wag po kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, at hit notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago nating videos. Thank you guys and stay tuned lang kayo dyan. Bago natin simulan yan, intro muna tayo.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So ayan guys, kailangan natin na maglagay ng maliit na pako para pukpuk lang tayo ng pukpuk para naman na ilalagay natin yung ating Christmas light ng maisabit gagaya niyan. So ayan guys, tatanggalin natin yung ating Christmas lights na bilog at dediretso lang natin yung ating kakabit na balls lights. Ayan, maraming salamat mga kapatid sa mga tumambay dito sa ating Munting Channel.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, ito naman yung ating lumang Christmas lights na ginamit last year. So pwede pa siyang gamitin basta maayos pa. As you can see guys, dito natin siya ilalagay sa ating paligid ng puno.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
A few moments later.
So yan mga ka-AC, ito na yung ating Christmas lights na ikinabit dito sa ating gilid ng puno. So mamayang gabi at papailawin natin yan.
Sweet, your body is mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.
A few moments later.
So ito naman guys, kakabit natin yung ating dugtungan ng wiring, no. So para isang saksakan na lang. So kailangan maayos yung pagkakalagay natin ng connection ng wiring para hindi po nagkakaroon ng problema.
Fix it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
So ayan guys, lalagyan natin ng plastic. Ayan, balutin natin para hindi po siya mabasa dahil ito po ay nasa outdoor, no. So kuha lang po tayo ng electrical tape, balutin natin yung pinakadulo para hindi po pasukin ng tubig. So safe naman siya guys kahit na gamitin natin nasa outside. To make sure lang guys na maganda yung pagkakalagay ng ating wirings or pagkakatap natin, no. So ayan, nakikita nyo guys yung pindutan niya nasa loob. Alright.
Nice.
So ayan guys, ito na yung ating Christmas lights na ikinabit. So nilagyan natin ng plastic sa loob para hindi talaga pasukin. At yung dulo, yun nga yung electrical tape na nilagay natin. Ayan, so ito nun guys, yung kanyang saksakan, ayan nasa loob. Ayan yung nasisilip nyo. So yan lang po yung pinipindot. Dito sa labas lang yan kung running or steady. At yan po yung connection papunta dun sa labas. Para po isang saksakan lang po ang ating ginawa. At safe naman siya. Ito na guys ang Christmas lights natin. na pag iyong sinindihan, ramdam na ang Kapaskuhan. Ayan, nakakataba ng puso at napakaganda, kumukutitap.